Adi Godrej is with us on the show. Thanks for being with us. Walk us through the highlights. Your EBITDA has seen degrowth. What's the reason?
Well, our fourth quarter profits were down a little. However, for the year, our profits were up 20%. And for the annual sales were up 17%, consolidated sales. In the last quarter, Godrej Agrovet suffered a little bit because of the severe drought in the country, and some of its businesses didn't perform as well as in the same quarter of the previous year. Also, Godrej Properties had a stellar year, so the entire year was a record year on all fronts. However, the fourth quarter, because as you know, in real estate each quarter varies, the fourth quarter was not as good as the fourth quarter of the previous year, which was very good.
So when can we expect Godrej Agrovet to turn around?
Well, we expect Godrej Agrovet to do very well in financial year 17 because the monsoon is expected to be very good. Also, we made two major acquisitions towards the end of the last year, and they will all be consolidated in financial year 17. So Godrej Agrovet will find itself in a very good position.
Tell us, Mr. Godrej, what segments have driven growth? Because we know agro as well as property have been a tad weak this time.
No, all sectors are growing quite well. Our residential sectors are growing well. Our commercial sectors are also growing well. And we have launched a very big new project in Vikhroli called The Trees, which has also had excellent bookings.
Now, which geographical segments have contributed most positively to your performance this quarter and which have been, or rather seen, the maximum headwinds?
Well, that varies in the different companies. Godrej Consumer Products, despite the poor monsoons and rural slowdown, has done very well. Its market cap increased 30% during the last financial year. And we are putting in all efforts to do very well in 17. And if the monsoon is good, the rural demand should once again be good. Other companies have done differently, but we think with the good monsoon and the possibility of the GST being passed, India is in for strong growth, and that will help our businesses.
Leave us with some sort of an outlook for sales and margins that you're targeting in FY17. And since Godrej is big on inorganic growth, what are the acquisition plans on the radar?
No, we are not. We don't make any predictions, but we think with the good monsoon, financial year 17 should be better than 16. Overall, we've done very well in financial year 16, and we hope to do better in financial year 17.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.